Welcome to Kenton Teaches. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change a Honda Civic spare tire. First, find a safe, level spot away from traffic and activate your hazard lights. This ensures your safety and visibility. Next, gather your tools, the spare tire, jack, and lug wrench, usually found in the trunk. Always make sure your car is in park and the parking brake is firmly engaged before you begin any work. Safety is paramount when changing a tire. Now, let's loosen those lug nuts. Use your lug wrench to turn each nut counterclockwise, just about 1/2 turn. Don't remove them completely yet. Once they are all slightly loose, carefully position the jack under the designated jacking point on your Honda Civic's frame. Slowly raise the vehicle using the jack until the flat tire is completely clear of the ground. Ensure the car is stable before proceeding. With the car lifted, you can now fully remove the lug nuts you previously loosened. Place them in a safe spot so they don't roll away. Gently pull the flat tire straight off the wheel studs and set it aside. Now, carefully lift the spare tire and align its holes with the wheel studs. Push it firmly onto the hub. Once it's seated, hand tighten all the lug nuts back onto the spare tire. Almost done. Slowly lower your Honda Civic using the jack until the spare tire just makes contact with the ground, but the full weight isn't on it yet. Now, use your lug wrench to fully tighten each lug nut in a star pattern for even pressure. Once they are all snug, lower the vehicle completely and remove the jack. Don't forget to store your flat tire and all your tools securely in the trunk. Drive safely to a service center.
Thanks for watching. Please subscribe if this video was helpful.